To use the timer on your Casio G-Shock from the main page, you can simply press the start button and it will start a timer. You can also move with the mode button here until you reach the stopwatch right there. But just from the main screen, you can press the start button. Then if you want to pause it, you can hit the start button again and restart it by pressing the start button again. If you want to keep running or doing your stuff and see the time without stopping it, you can hit the reset button while it's running and you will see that time, but the stopwatch is still running under that page. If you want to go back to the stopwatch, you hit the reset button and now you can see the time again. Again, if I press it, you see that time that is freeze, and when you press it, you see that it keep running. If you want to reset that timer, or because you are done, you can stop the timer by pressing on the start button and reset the timer with the reset button, and then it falls back to 0. You can then press the mode button to come back on the main page. If for some reason you have the ends that are in the view of your timer, if you want to get rid of it, you can press the light button and the mode button, and those hands will move away in a position that they doesn't disturb you. So I hope this was helpful.